Okay, so here we go. This is a pretty traditional kind of clock here. My goal is to put this behind some of my 3D printing so when I time lapse you'll be able to see how it goes. But listening to it, it does not tick at all. Even though it moves really smooth, but you don't hear the ticking, so that's nice. So if you needed a clock next to you, it wouldn't click. So here we go. It's super easy to set. What time is it now? It's like 4:10. So just 4:10, so perfect. And then we have the little alarm that we can set to whatever time, just the old traditional alarm setting. And then we have an on and off switch back here, so you can see the alarm on and off. And then I'm gonna assume, oh, look at this, little light. So there we go, so there's a little light. It probably turns off the alarm too. Let me see if it does or not. Nice little button, but nice clock. Really looks nice. It's gonna look really good in the background for my videos and things. So I'm gonna say this is really cool. Let me just see if there's anything I need to know. Oh yeah, it's a snooze function is the top of the thing there. So that snooze won't completely shut it off. But very cool. I like this. I guess you just turn it off to do that. And then before you go to sleep, turn it back on again. So just an old traditional clock, but very cool. Thumbs up. Looks nice.